This 51-kilometer road costs $476 million. Imagine. This is Kampala Entebbe Expressway. It's one of the most expensive roads in the world. But here's where it's very, very interesting. This Kampala Entebbe Expressway is the road that connects the capital city to Entebbe, to the airport. So, the airport is not the only thing you can see in Entebbe. In Entebbe, you can see many other things like the wildlife reserve. You can see many beaches around in Entebbe. So this road is really very important. It's very important for the economy of Uganda. So you can imagine the cost is 476 million. It means they have used $9 million to build 1 kilometer of this road. $9 million to build 1 kilometer of this road. That makes it the most expensive road, one of the most expensive roads in the world. Imagine. But in this video, we are going to drive around this road. I show you everything, and when you get to Entebbe, just a few minutes off the road, you'll find many beaches, you'll find many attractions, as I said earlier. You can see how fast people are driving here. It's really very express. So guys, let me know in the comment section, is this road worth it? Like $476 million for this? What do you think? Let me know what you think in the comments.
Engine hums a low, steady tune beneath the silver glaze of a high noon. Beyond the city gates where the dust used to settle, now the tires glide over smooth, cooling metal. The marshland waves of green sway in hand as we cut a clean line through the heart of the land. No more the halting pulse of the crowded lane, just the open stretch through the soft falling rain. 7 hills fade into the rearview glass, watching the shadows of the tall palms pass. The horizon leans in with a quiet grace, a modern vein in an ancient place. Between the capital and the grey water's edge, we follow the curve of a grey stone ledge. Every kilometer is a breath drawn deep and slow, watching the red soil and the wild grass grow. This is the thread that pulls the distance near, a path carved crystal and remarkably clear. From the urban stir to the lake's wide blue, the miles feel light and the world feels new. A bridge made of hope and a road made of time, moving in a calm and a seamless rhyme. The journey is the story that we finally write in the golden glow of the afternoon light. Take the turning tide in a gentle stride. What was once a struggle is now a steady flow, a silent promise in the tarmac's glow, linking the dreams of the traveler and a home across the valleys where the cattle roam. The airport spire marks the end of the run, glinting like a needle in the setting sun. But the memory of the speed remains so still, like a long, slow climb up a quiet hill. We see the progress in the way we move, falling into a steady and peaceful groove. The lake breeze meets us at the final gate, no longer burdened by the heavy weight. The landscape shifts in a panoramic suite, awake from a slumber that was far too deep. The pulse of the nation finds a brand new pace in the steady lines of his paved embrace. This is the thread that pulls the distance near, a path carved crystal and remarkably clear. From the urban stir to a lake's wide blue, the miles feel light and the world feels new. A bridge made of hope and a road made of time, moving in a calm and a seamless line. But journey is a story that we finally write in the golden glow of the afternoon light.
Pushed the corral until the dash light stayed red. The air conditioning died somewhere outside of Reno, and the final seat is sticking to my legs. My mouth tastes like copper and old pennies. I haven't spoken to a person in 4 days, unless you count the guy at the Chevron who didn't look up from his lottery tickets. I felt like a stain on the linoleum, but there is a creek behind this dumpster. The water is cold and smells like iron. It is the first thing that isn't burning. I am sitting in the weeds and I am fine. I'm actually fine. I used to think my father's anger was a compass. I followed it right into this dry lake bed. Now I just see it as a snapped fan belt. I am looking at a patch of clover near the runoff. It shouldn't be growing here in this heat. It looks like a mistake I wanna keep. The steering wheel isn't shaking anymore, 'cause the water is cold and smells like iron. It is the first thing that isn't burning. That isn't burning. I am sitting in the weeds and I am fine. I am actually followed the road went on forever. I thought the map was a list of my failures, but I found a place where the air moves, where the air moves. It feels like a baptism in a parking lot. Yeah, I'm not a ghost yet. The green is coming back through the gravel. I'm staying until the radiator cools down. I'm still up, the air is moving.
subscribe to my YouTube channel.